Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Will. Hopefully, you're having a great day today. Wanted to show you guys my setup for today. We're up about $878 just here on Rocket Lab. Portfolio is up about 1.66% on the day. I like to share with you guys how things are going, and we wrap up our live trading in the morning with Stockmates, and we had some good moves today, so I thought I'd share them with you. So, Stockmates is something we do every morning, and we basically make moves. And you guys watch me trade live if you're in there. It's that second link down below. And I want to make something clear. I'm not investing in stocks that are highly risky. I'm actually investing in stocks that are would be risky not to invest in. In other words, these are stocks that the way that I literally look at it is I wouldn't buy these stocks with money that like don't buy these stocks unless it's money that you don't want to lose. In other words, does that make sense? That sounds kind of confusing. What I mean is it's not about I feel like I'm going to lose money. I put my money in assets so that I believe that's how I protect the money. And if you're someone that's, let's say, worried about the economy, you're worried about things happening, you're worried about the government or maybe the currency or what have you, the best thing you can do for you, yourself, your loved ones, your family is to encourage them to buy assets, buy things like stocks and real estate and appreciating value vehicles that will give you more money than what you put in. And in an environment that's inflationary or an environment that has markets that is kind of melting up, that is the stock market, one of the best things you can do is buy assets and buy companies, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's companies in the stock market or the S&P 500 even, that's fine. I focus specifically on tech companies that are in AI, exploration, space. It could be quantum computing, some of the tech companies and cryptos that are really going to change the way that we do business digitally or physically. They really change the world. So you can see it kind of looks complicated with all these drawings that I have here on Rocket Lab. It's almost weird how it looks. So let me just like hide all the drawings and you can just get an objective view. We've seen Rocket Lab really just continually drive itself up, and we took advantage of this move. Saw it pull back down to $23. We bought at 23.70, so right here, and I think it's going to continue up much further. And the reason why I'm not, this isn't just your classic, it's going to go up, it's going to come down. This is a company that's launching satellites that has it's a rocket company. They're launching satellites for a company called Kinesis. They're competing basically with SpaceX. They are doing things differently. They've launched over 200 satellites. It is a company that's going to change a lot of the world by advancing their technology for space exploration. Now, there's really just one pattern that I want to break down for Rocket Lab today. And the thing that I want to go into is actually something called the 20-minute move strategy. And essentially, I don't know if you guys see, but it has this consistent pattern. Like you can see a very consistent pattern on Rocket Lab. If I you can see those levels, but let me change the color to like orange, okay? So you can see what I'm talking about. You see this trend here, how consistently it's hitting this support. And then also let's see this resistance. Just want to really break down that resistance as well. You can really see that it's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down. And you might say, well, this looks really weird with all these charts. So let me just get rid of them. But what I'm saying is oops, let me get rid of them. Hide all drawings. I was trying to do this one. Oh, I can't get rid of them. That's okay. Let's not do that. Okay. So basically, every single day at market open, this stock goes either up or down. So look down here at the bottom. You see this right around the RSI, how there is a time. It says November 19th, and you can see the time of day. I just want you to take a look at that, okay? Here's a huge move up. I'm willing to guess it was at market open at 6:30. Oh, what do you know? 6:30, it pushed up. Okay. Oh, here's a big move down. What time was that? Oh, 6:30. What do you know? Oh, here's a big move up. What time was that? Oh, it dropped significantly right at market open and then recovered up. Oh, here's a big move up. Okay, that was actually end of day. And so that was actually throughout the day. That's okay. But yeah, what I'm saying is what I'm seeing with Rocket Lab are these very consistent big moves right at market open. And I'm really zoomed in here. But basically, like, look at that big move that's happening. When was it? 6:30 a.m. This is a pretty sharp drop. When was it? 6:30 a.m. What about this big push up? 6:30 a.m. What about this huge drop off right here? Oh, what do you know? 6:30 a.m. And so what I'm saying is, like, this big drop off right here. What time was it? Oh, it's at 6:30 a.m. It's right at market open. Oh, that's a big spike upwards. 6:30 a.m. So all these big like spikes, the big moves of the day are happening at 6:30 a.m. Oh, let's see this big push up. 6:30 a.m. When we bought the dip right here, it was because right at 6:30 a.m. I saw it sell off aggressively. And I'm thinking, it just sold off aggressively. So now it's starting to recover. And there was these previous levels. If I show all the drawings that we went over, so you can see there's a support and resistance. These green lines are support and resistance. See resistance level at $25. Basically pushed down to this resistance level and validated it. And I said, hey, it's pushing and made its big move at the beginning of the day. I bought, recovered throughout the whole day, like 10%. And then today, I could have quite easily sold my position yesterday at market close and then bought back here at this big dip that happened. I think the interesting part is right now, the big dip is happening and it's going down every time the market opens. You see that? It's going down every time the market opens and then recovering. Going down when the market opens and recovering. And so what I like about it is I think it's about to shift. The reason I haven't sold yet is I think that it's about to go up at market open and then go down throughout the day, and then go up at market open and go down throughout the day. And that's exactly what we saw in this bull run. You can see right here, 6:30 a.m. It was going up at the beginning of the day and then slowly declining throughout the day. And then at 6:30 it was going up, and then it was kind of gaining throughout the day, right? But again, big spikes that happen at the beginning of the day going upwards. And so right now we've been seeing that it's going down right at the beginning of the day and recovering. I think it's going to shift here. Tomorrow, we're going to see it start to become a bull, and it's going to continue this upward direction if we look on that 1 year, and it's going to make even higher highs. And I believe I'm in it. I believe it's going to do that movement that I just laid out for you, but in reverse. So now it's going to start pushing up at the beginning of the day, and I'll sell, and then it will slowly go down, and then we'll buy, and then we'll push up at the beginning of the day. And I love to play it. So we got a really good entry point regardless. That trades up $900. We've really had a lot of $1,000 trades here on Rocket Lab because it's just such a predictable stock for me to trade. And the beautiful part is, if I were to, let's say that I bought the dip today and then it like continued to sell off or continued to go sideways and it didn't recover, hey, this is a company that's extremely fundamentally sound. The financials are looking good. The overall direction of the company stock is looking good. And the news about what they're doing and working with these other companies to compete with SpaceX is looking good as well. So those are all the things that I like about the stock. So I'll keep you guys updated with the position, and hopefully you guys are having a great Tuesday today. Entering these holidays, one of the best things you could do is look at some of the movements in the market, make that money for Christmas, right? So appreciate you all. If you want to watch me trade live every day and you want to get access to our AI stock trading system, I'm launching it here in the next week. And I'm really excited that we have StockMate available for just $1 a day in that second link down below. For a limited time, if you want to watch me trade live every day, get access to these resources that will help you to be able to trade AI and tech stocks. It's that second link down below for just $1. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.